Hey, it's Mark, RBM Tesla. Check it out. We have our Gen 2 full leather armrest covers, and we have our simulator here from the showroom, and we're going to show everybody how to install it. It's a new super tight fitting armrest. This is our two-tone version, which is black and white. So the only difference about the installation from Gen 1 to Gen 2 is that we made it fit tighter in the back. So back here by the rear vents, we now have a tag with velcro on it, and the velcro holds it and pulls it down really tight. So let's take a quick look at it of what it'll look like installed. So you can see down here below, now we have our Kleenex dispenser inside, but down here we have a piece of velcro and we have a tag on it. We're gonna hook up the white one now, the full white version. Obviously, this is the front, which goes towards the front of the car. This is the back. The back has the tag in it, kind of like a shirt or a pair of pants. Anyway, so we're going to take off the Velcro. So you have a male side and a female side. The male side, or actually the female, excuse me, goes on here. So peel it off, stick it right underneath. That's where this is going to adhere to. Okay, so now let's show you how easy it installs. So we're gonna just start up over here and show you a side view. All right, so here's how we started. First, loosen the Velcro straps that go across the main body area. Just like that. And again, this is already installed. And all we have left on here now is the male side. So we recommend you do it in this order. These Velcro pieces get all over the place. So we're gonna open it up like this and simply slide the tag underneath. So we're gonna put it right underneath like this. Stretch them out like this and stick it right underneath. So I'm going underneath with the female tag, just like that. Super easy. Now, we're gonna attach this to the male side, which we already installed. So just reach up like that. Now, then we're going to close it, come back around this way, and we're going to pull up on it. And we're going to stretch it. Now, this is the only part where you probably want to get in your back seat to do, but this super soft padded suede and leather fits really good. It fits like a nice pair of shoes. So you're going to pull it up, 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 hold on to the front edges like this, and reach it up and over. So it does take some stretching, but this is how we designed it. We want it to fit perfect. We don't want people to think that you have anything other than your original leather armrest cover on. So then this goes right down the side. Same thing on the other side, just pull them down. Then we're gonna go back to the Velcro. Just take the Velcro male side here and pull it, make it real tight, pull the female side and put it right at the bottom below our tissue box dispenser, which is another item. And now for the top. So now we're going to pull this down and around, making it fit super tight, like a glove. Okay, now same thing. We're going to take the leather over here, tug on it, pull it down. We're going to take this strap, tug on it, pull it down, pull the side down. So again, you're just lining up the stitched pieces. This one, and then same thing over here. Just pull it down. Pull them all down and around. And once you get it on, you'll see how nice and snug it fits. If you got any extra material on the top, just spread it out, but it'll fit just as tight as that one. Obviously, remove the sticker and any adhesive that may stay with it. And don't be afraid to make adjustments. You know, if you got a little bit of wrinkles here, just pull the side down. Just grab it, pull it down like this, and then tighten up the Velcro. that and close it. You'll love the ultra white. It matches the white seats perfect. And you'll love the solid black, the black and white two-tone look. Whatever the style is you're doing in your car, it fits great. And it'll wear and snug and fit like a good pair of shoes. So again, don't be afraid to tuck it in. And we have a better fitment on the edges, especially back here. We have no clearance issues. So some people were having issues with it popping off the back vent cover, which we don't want. All right, great. Thanks again. Again, it's Gen 2, Model 3 and Model Y leather armrests from RPM Tesla. And these are our padded armrests. We have about 4 different styles, including the diamond black. Thank you.